to change profile picture on Messenger. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. So first of all, you have to open up your Messenger app, and if you have got multiple accounts, make sure to log in to the account of which you want to change the photo or the profile picture. So after logging in, you'll be able to see the inbox of your Messenger. So the first step is you have to tap on the 3-bar horizontal line in the left upper corner, and from over here you have to go to the settings option in the right hand side. After that, you can see there is your profile name and picture, and below the picture there is a camera option, so you have to tap on that. And there are 3 options. You can either take a photo or choose from library, or you can also use the avatar. So let us choose from a gallery, and here you can select any of the photo that you want to upload on your Messenger. You can also adjust the photo, and by doing that you can tap on done option, and here it is asked that save profile picture. Before that, you must know that your profile picture will also be updated. This update will not be shared in feed. It means when you change the profile picture from Messenger, your Facebook profile picture will also be updated, but the picture won't be shared in your newsfeed. After that, you have to simply go for save profile picture option, and after doing that, you can see the profile picture has been set. So by following this simple step, you can change profile picture on Messenger. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.